Have you ever dreamed of playing a musical instrument, one that is easy to pick up, sounds beautiful, and immediately connects you with a rich cultural tradition? Many people wonder if they can dive into the world of traditional Irish music without a huge time commitment. The simple answer is no. The tin whistle is not hard for beginners, making it one of the most accessible and rewarding instruments to learn. Its straightforward design and logical fingering system allow new players to produce pleasant sounds and even play simple tunes very quickly. The primary reason for its beginner friendliness lies in its very nature as a fipple flute. Unlike instruments requiring a complex embouchure or multiple keys, the tin whistle only asks you to blow gently into the mouthpiece while covering 6-finger holes. The finger patterns for notes are intuitive, typically moving sequentially up or down the scale as you lift or place fingers, which naturally guides your learning process. This design minimizes initial hurdles, letting you focus on rhythm and musicality sooner rather than later. To start playing, you will want to get a standard D tin whistle, which is the most common key used in traditional Irish music. Begin by practicing blowing a steady, gentle stream of air to produce clear single notes without a breathy sound. Then, work on scales, starting with the D major scale, which uses the natural finger positions. Focus on playing each note distinctly, connecting them smoothly from simple melodies. Many online tutorials and beginner books offer excellent guidance and tunes to learn, often breaking down complex pieces into manageable steps. An interesting detail is that the tin whistle is often referred to as a penny whistle, a name that dates back to the mid-1800s when they were mass-produced and sold for a penny. It was designed to be affordable and durable, accessible to everyone, and this ethos continues today. Its simple construction means you can get a good quality instrument for a very reasonable price, allowing you to experiment with music without a significant investment. Ultimately, the tin whistle offers a delightful entry point into the world of music, especially traditional Irish tunes. Its ease of learning means you can quickly move beyond just making sounds to actually playing recognizable melodies, bringing immense satisfaction and a deep connection to Ireland's vibrant musical heritage. It is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a fun and achievable musical journey.